Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 1, 7th problem. 7th problem, very important. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meter below the top of the pole to do repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use when he climbs at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground? What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? Look at the figure. An electrician wants to repair an electric current on a pole of the height 9 meters. Height of the pole is 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to repair work. 1.8 meters below top of the pole. What should be the length of the ladder? Means we should find the length of the ladder and distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. Height of the pole where the ladder reaches is equals to 9 minus 1.8 is equals to 7.2 meters. And length of the ladder, let the length of the ladder be x. Let the length of the ladder be x, and distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole is equals to y. Will take here A and here B. AB is the height of the pole and AC is the height of the pole where the ladder reaches. A, B, C, D. A, C, D is the required right angle triangle and right angle at A. Let the length of the ladder CD is equals to x meters, and distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole, AD is equals to y. Total height of the pole AB is equals to 9 meters. AB is equal to 9 meters, and height of the pole where the ladder reaches. Height of the pole where ladder reaches is equals to, this is 7.2 meters. Total height of the pole AB is equals to 9 meters, and height of the pole where the ladder reaches AC is equals to 9 minus 1.8 meters is equals to 7.2 meters. See here, I'll take this right angle triangle. Here angle of elevation is 60 degrees. See here, this right angle triangle. This right angle triangle as it is drawn here. Now ACD is an right angle triangle and right angle at A. Now longest side. This longest side is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse beside is adjacent side. And another side is opposite side. Opposite side will take sin theta. Sin theta is equal opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. From the figure, sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is equals to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Now sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is equals to sin 60 degrees equals root 3 by 2. And opposite side, here opposite side is called AC, and hypotenuse is equal to CD. I am writing here CD. Opposite side AC and hypotenuse CD, root 3 by 2 as it is I am writing LHS. Now AC is equals to 7.2 meters and CD is equals to x. I am writing x by cross multiplication. Root 3 into x. Root 3 into x is equals to 7.2 into 7.2 into 2. 7.2 into 2. Now root 3 right RHS side. Transposing root 3. X is equals to 7.2 into 2 by here root 3 right RHS side. Multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. Root 3 x is equals to 7.2 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 multiplying and dividing by root 3, rationalizing with root 3. Root 3 multiplying and dividing by root 3. Now x is equals to 7.2 into 2 by 7.2 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square, square root and square get cancelled. 7.2 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square, square root and square get cancelled. X is equals to 7.2 into 2 into root 3 by 3 will cancel by 3 table. 24 3 is 7.2, 72 means 3 1s 3, 2.4s 24, 3 24 72, 3 2.4s 7.2. X is equals to 2.4. This 2.4 into 2 into root 3, 2.4 into 2 into root 3. X is equals to 2.4 into 2 4.8. I'll write here 4.8 into root 3. Therefore x is equals to 4.8 into root 3 means 1.732. Root 3 is equal 1.732. Now multiply 1.732 into 4.8. 1732 into 48. Multiply. X is equals to 4.732 into 48 multiply means 83136 got 83136. But where should keep the point means 1 2 3 4 left onwards you count 1 2 3 4 means 1 2 3 4 8.3136 meters. Length of the ladder is equal to 8.3136 meters. Now we should find AD, distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. AD we should find adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. We'll take cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here cos 60 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Here adjacent side is equals to y. Adjacent side is equal to y. Hypotenuse is equal to x. Adjacent side is equal to y. Hypotenuse is equal to x. Now cross multiplication. 1 into x. X is equals to 2 into y. 2y. We should find y value. Therefore, we will take LHS side. 2 into y, 2y is equal to 1 into x. Since x is equals to 8.3136 meters proved above. Therefore, 2y is equals to x is equal to I am writing 8.3136. Now these two right RHS side multiplication quantity becomes a division quantity. Y is equals to 8.3136 by 2. Now cancel by 2 table. 2 1s, 2 4s, point, 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 8s. Therefore, y is equals to 4.1568 meters. Therefore, length of the ladder CD is equals to 8.3136 meters and distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole AD is equals to 4.1568 4.1568 meters. 4.1568 meters. Distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole, AD is equal to 4.1568 meters. Here length of the ladder, we got length of this ladder x is equals to 8.3136 meters we got, and distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole, y is equals to 4.1568 meters. Hence we proved. Once in I'll tell in Hindi, afterwards Telugu. एक पोल है 9 मीटर्स का पोल है, मगर 1.8 मीटर्स बिलो यहाँ तक एक लैडर रखकर एक इलेक्ट्रिशियन ये वायर्स के काम करना, इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स की रिपेयर करना, मगर ये इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ हाइट ऑफ द पोल यहाँ तक, यहाँ ये AC की वैल्यू नहीं मालूम हम लोग को। ये टोटल हाइट ऑफ द पोल क्या है 9 मीटर्स, 9 मीटर से 1.8 मीटर्स निकाले तो यहाँ तक 7.2 मीटर्स आया। हम लोग को लेंथ ऑफ द लैडर का फाइंड आउट करना एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन फुट ऑफ द पोल, फुट ऑफ द लैडर से फुट ऑफ द पोल तक फाइंड आउट करना। इन తెలుగు ఒక పోల్ హైట్ ఇచ్చిండు 9 మీటర్స్, ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడ వరకు 1.8 మీటర్స్ ఉన్నది, ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఒక ల్యాడర్ వేస్తారు, ఈ ల్యాడర్ వేసి ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడ వరకు హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద పోల్ ఎంతనో కనుక్కోవాలి। ఈ హైట్ ఇది టోటల్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద పోల్ 9 మీటర్స్ కదా, దీని నుండి 1.8 మీటర్స్ తీసేస్తే ఇక్కడ 7.2 మీటర్స్ అవుతుంది। మనకు ల్యాడర్ లెంత్ ఎంతో కనుక్కోవాలి, మళ్ళీ ల్యాడర్ కింది నుండి పోల్ కింది వరకు ఎంతనో డిస్టెన్స్ కూడా కనుక్కోవాలి।